Sit. Stay. Sit, Henry. Okay.
Let me know if you see me in it first.
Okay, third cleaning day.
Is the camera on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay, we're gonna clean up. We're gonna want to show how easy it is to clean the birds up.
We got 4 eggs so far. But we haven't gotten a jumbo egg in a couple.
So we line a box with a trash bag. Back. All right.
That was easy.
That's how we clean the bird there, but then I take it over and I put shavings in it from a different container.
Here's one of our boys. Can see the girls beat him up real good. He's recovering now. Thought he's gonna lose his eye, but it looks like he's not. But he was all bloodied and near death, so we took him back out. And I just don't think they liked him.
Yeah, so we were trying to breed them, and the girls, and when I say girls, I mean these lovely 6 birds right here that give us eggs every day. They obviously didn't like him. They beat him up pretty bad. We thought he was going to lose his eye. We were wondering if he'd even survive. So after we put the shavings into the bag, the trash with the poop, we put more right here, more shavings, clean shavings in that. Right there. And then we set that back on top, and then we put the water container. The water container takes the most effort, I think. Where's the water container? And it's because you have to feed it through all the way across.
Yeah, it's not a big deal,
But yeah.
the cage doesn't fit super good in that tray. What's going on? There, it's not over there. It's like it's...
That's this.
Is it?
Yeah.
So I need to put something underneath
Yep.
this? Yeah, see?
Right. Yeah. We have it sitting on a freezer that we don't use
Yeah.
yet. And then if you can see it right there, and the top of it is not level. So that's what he's talking about. But see, you put the water through here and fed it through the 2 cages. And there's a nipple in each one. And that's how they drink. We put Sammy in this one. The girls did like Sammy. That's what we're going to show you in this video too, is we've got 5 chicks from Sammy.
Shimmed it.
Nice. All right, there you go. That's how easy it is to clean those. Now we're going to show you how easy it is to clean this one.
It's full. Ooh.
Is it pretty full?
Yeah.
And they've been wasting a lot of food. So, same thing. Just take it.
Food.
And they wasted more food this time because we made a mistake. We actually ended up putting grower food in instead of layer food, and it's a lot finer. So I think they were trying to dust themselves with it instead of eating. So it's the same thing. We got these trays on Amazon, and you just scrape the trays into the bag. And we keep a clean tray there. And we'll switch the trays in and out and put the cleaner one up there. Then we'll take this one and take it outside and clean it with a water hose. We'll put it back underneath the second one where there's not any birds, and then we'll switch them next time. You can see it's not perfect. We got a little bit of a mess where we dropped some. And then what we'll do is we'll just go around and every day we sweep and clean up in here. To water the birds. John put this board up here so we can do that easier.
Probably.
Yeah. That other one. This one has some bigger bullets in it, but there's got a lot of fine stuff too.
Yeah, you'll have to let me go out and get it. Yeah, move.
We're gonna let Brian out
Come on,
so
Daisy.
we can clean up his cage. And some might find me cleaning his cage comical.
You're getting big. Come on. Okay, you want to get me the water and the lid and I'll spray it off. I'll just fill the water outside too. Oh yeah, he's about done, isn't he?
Oh, perch. He gets. We tried to make him a better perch, but obviously he wants to be up higher. All right, to clean his cage out is a little more difficult. Watch out, Brian. A little more of a chore. See, I can almost stand up in here. There we go. Those are some pressure shavings down on the other end, so I'm not going to take all those out right now. We're just going to put some new ones in. You got to remember his water container goes there. I don't want shavings there. Just in the places he walks and poops, pretty much. Gotta get him some fresh food. But he's got too much of the finer food in there. I need to take some of that out. So I'm going to take some of that out. That should be for the smaller birds.
Mosquitoes are bad.
Where did his lid go?
I've got it.
Oh, okay. Alright, put the water back in. I'll try to put it where he won't get too many shavings in it. Put the lid back in. I need to throw some shavings on his perch because it's got poop on there. Other than that, it's done.
You go back in.
Not just yet. I need to put some shavings on his perch back there. He's got poop in it. It's pretty dried up.
How tall he's getting.
Okay,
He's
and
tall.
then that's it.
He's tighter than my knee.
So that's cleaning Brian's cage.
So you need to go back in.
Yeah, he needs to go back in. So we can do blue.
Come on.
You know, see, blue's a really pretty bird. And get her going to see her buddy. Right. Cleaning her cage is similar to cleaning the quail's cage. Try not to make too much of a big mess in the floor. Pretty much it. So, and she gets new shavings.
Oh, sorry, don't get too close.
She's trying to get back in her cage. I gotta clean some of it, more out of it first.
You want in there with the turkey?
I got her food and water. Water first.
I don't know what it is. Oh, it's right behind you.
Yeah, I think I've got to redo it. Where is it?
Right behind you.
Because it's got the baby stuff in it.
Oh. Gotcha.
I'm gonna move the food over here. Alright, and then we'll see if she just walks back in it by herself. Clean all this up.
Safe and sound.
Alright, there you have it. Next. She's in her cage now. Everybody's got nice clean food, water, cages. Now it's time for the baby quail. Here we go. There's our little 5. And we're going to put them in a new container, a new cage. Here we go. There's one. And these are all Sammys. Two.
Hopefully he's gonna peck at him. See?
Three. Here's number 5. I want to show this one here actually it outgrew its shell. See its neck right there is curved. It outgrew its shell before it hatched, so she's got a little bit of a curve in her neck. Well, hopefully it's a girl. But there we have it. Awesome.